I_Leacher is the first chatter and has been first 1 times. Clicksfrag sent 1 kicks.
Creative Sanatorium looks like you did more now, get your ass reported and banned.
Test mic. Hello, hello. Everybody can hear me now? Darn. I had to do absolutely anything. I just had to reconnect the Wavelink app. Just had to force close it and open it again. No, you didn't crash my mic. It was working perfectly fine. But for some reason, it was still... We had a call just a few, like 1 hour ago. And it was working fine. And for some reason, it was not picking up afterwards. So I have no idea what we were having. Yo, Master Chief, welcome in, Frag. Thank you for the kick to start with. We're gonna test something. Yeah, I think you already noticed the AI Alicia over here. And we have a plugin as well in Lumia stream called exactly the same. And guess what? We're gonna have our AI companion on the stream. So we're gonna be able to actually answer you guys in the chat, but as well as listening to me. And yeah, let's see what we can do. I never used it before, so we just have our first integration with official integration with them, because they did have an integration with us before. Gonna go in plugins and try to install AI Alicia, and we're gonna download and test. Archive looks small. Findings. Oh, this is already version 1.0.1, so it's the second version. So this is an AI review what was done, and on Chenlong we don't see anything, but we're gonna download and test it ourselves. And here it is. We have our API key, which hopefully it's like password protected. Perfect. And then we have our channel name, which will gonna be TG Radu for sure. We're gonna support currently just Twitch. But I don't know, hopefully maybe more platforms, because they do have a beta integration with YouTube and a beta integration with Kick as well. So as you can see, it already reads my chat, because I just created the account and linked with my my Twitch. It's not currently listening to my voice, but we're gonna get over through that, and let's see what we can do with it. So this is a request timeout, and I'm gonna have to go to streamer dashboard and generate and copy the API key. So I'm gonna go and do that right now. So we are on the dashboard, and let's see where it's our API key. Getting started, polish your character, select character voice, speak up to AI Alicia. Hope I'm not mispronouncing it. And we have a tutorial over here. We can actually go together and watch it. But create new AI Alicia character. Agenda, add an admin, explore created characters. Learning counter. But where I can see my sign in. Okay, go to account settings and generate. Okay, so we're gonna have to go on my account. And here, API key. So we're gonna generate a key, and then we're gonna copy it. I'm gonna place it over here, and my channel, it's TG Radu. There we go. So let's activate it. And then we're going to see what we can actually do with it. Okay, so we have this one added. We're going to see it, of course, in our connections as well. We have here AI Alicia. And do we have any alerts on it? We do not have alerts for it. Okay, so we're going to have, of course, commands. And in commands, we're going to have actions. And here we have AI Alicia actions. And we have send context, trigger AI reaction, set active character, join chat, and leave chat. Most probably, we're going to be of course, to join or to leave our chat. And, well, we're going to have to discover it because I'm going to go on their website and try to see what integration we can have with them. Are doing live support on Twitch? Yes. Yes, Warping Wombat. It's a live stream on my channel, and I'm testing new features of Lumia Stream, but I'm also offering live support to you guys. So if you have issues, questions, or you want to join on a Discord call and you're not afraid to being live at the same time, we can talk over here. If not, we can have like a Discord call and I can mute myself and put this effect on the music. Of course, I'm muted during that period, so nobody can actually hear us talking on Discord if you're, you know, shy. I have some issues with Lumia at the moment. Once my kids are in bed, I would try to hop in and share some of them. If that's okay with you, for sure. How long will you be on? At least 2-3 hours, I guess. Of course, you can still trigger the smoke on once every 16 minutes. If you think that the air is too clear over here in the room, you can trigger the smoke machine that it's over there. And you have it once for free every 60 minutes, and then we're going to go on a cooldown, and can be also activated with kicks, bits, or super chats. So since we're streaming on 3 platforms at the same time, we have all of them activated. All right, perfect. Perfect. So then I'm going to have also content where you can explain your issue, and maybe I can actually help you live as well. And people that are actually watching can, you know, maybe they have the same issue as you, and we're going to help more people. So that's perfect. Good. So AI Licia. It is an AI companion, basically like a co-pilot for your streams. And it's not a mod or VIP on your channel. And we're going to grant the mod. There you go. We already have like a paid subscription for them. So unlimited streams available. Display name AI Licia. Test your display name. That was a ping for it. Oh, there you go. What do you recommend for multi-streaming? I use OBS if you do have enough bandwidth. I prefer OBS with multiple output. You can also use Meld Studio that has multi-stream built in, which doesn't consume more internet resources from your end, or I don't know, multiple encodings, because they're gonna just get your bitrate and then output it to multiple platforms. And there's also Restream. They offer a way to actually output your stream through them to 2 different platforms at the same bandwidth cost. And there's, I don't think, also Streamlabs, but you need Streamlabs Ultra to actually do that. Or you can just use, like I'm doing, multiple output RTMP plugin for OBS, and then you can have as many outputs as you have. Of course, there's a limitation, and the limitation is as much as you have upload to actually share, because every single platform is gonna eat more bandwidth. For example, I am sharing right now on YouTube 15 megabytes, which is a lot. I'm also sending about 8 megabytes to Twitch and Kick at the same time. So I have I'm running right now dual encoders. I don't know, I think, yeah, I'm running dual encoders. Is Kickstream actually alright with that? Because I don't think I changed my... Let me check my streams for a second. I forgot to do that. So on Kick, it's looking pretty cool. And the quality, it's full HD. That's great. Then my Twitch stream. It's actually going up to 1440p, which is the source. So even better quality. And on my YouTube, I think I'm going to full HD, but let me double check that. We can increase the resolution over there as well. Okay. So over here, on YouTube, I'm sending just full HD as the maximum resolution. I can go a bit over that as well by just modifying some settings on my end. Good. Okay. Good. So what is this thing? You're gonna learn as I learn at the same time. So I'm gonna pause currently the music so I can hear the tutorial of getting started over here. I want 2K in Twitch and 1080 key on Kick. That's exactly what I'm sending it right now, Pac-Man. I'm having 2K on Twitch and full HD on Kick and full HD on YouTube, but I can increase on YouTube as well. Kick, unfortunately, it's not supporting more. Yeah, really. You can actually check in on the wheel over there on Twitch that I am actually streaming on 2K, 1440p. So let's actually check this video. Let me check if you actually hear this as well.
A new episode of Customize Your Alicia.
Okay, so you do hear this. I'm gonna have to bring it a bit further up. Fortunately, I would love to place like audio mixers in OBS to have on different place. Okay, we're gonna go on directly on YouTube on this one. And hopefully we're not gonna get copyrighted strike because we are sharing a different person video. But yeah, this is a tutorial for Alicia. You can go follow them. We are just created a plugin for it, and I'm actually watching it. That's gonna be another time, Pac-Man. If you want, we can I can actually show you after setting all this thing up. So let me actually make it full screen. There we go. So you can actually see it. And let's go and play. Oh, well, with sound, of course.
Welcome for a new episode of Customize Your Alicia. So today we are just going to have a very quick overview on the dashboard, and specifically just after you signed up. So as you can see, you will have a pop-up just asking you if you want to claim your streams. As soon as you do that, you will have credits. Those credits will be used every time you do a stream. And so as I will be streaming with Alicia for my next stream, I'm just going to claim those credits now. As soon as I did that, it's going to basically show me the main page of the dashboard. You will see general information. I can update my time zone if it's not already set up. And I will also have some information about the status of Alicia. Like, am I ready to actually stream? This is the moment where you give the role to Alicia to be able to actually post messages in your account. So here you just select either way VIP or just mod. So I'm just going for mod, but it's really up to you to decide what you want to have. here. So you will have the different element that you can start checking out, kind of an onboarding there, and some usual information like credits left on your account or the state of your subscription there, and some general settings about when Alicia is going to join and which language she's speaking. On the left side, you will have different pages. Speak to Alicia, which is going to be one separate tutorial to go through it. The characters, a different one as well. The memory, the Grow With Us, integrations, My Account, Community, etc. All of them has a different purpose that we will be exploring, but the main element is going to be around Speak to Alicia, so to be able to let Alicia hear what you say, and the characters for the customization. If you're interested to know more about it, just subscribe to the channel and have a look at the different tutorial videos. Hello and welcome for another episode of How to Customize Alicia. So today we will be looking at how you can change Alicia's name, display name directly in your chat. So let's just head on our character here and we'll just click on the display name tab. On that tab, so you'll see you have a list of display name here, and you will have the add a display name button just here. When you click on it, you will see there is two different elements. So you have the username, who is going to be populated directly and automatically, and then you have the token. So obviously you need a token to be able to do that, and as you can see, there is a button, Get Your Token here, that is going to help you to do that. So when I click there, I'm going to arrive to a new page. On this page, basically, it is required to be open on an incognito Windows.
Okay, so this is for getting basically as a different name for your Alicia bot. Okay, how to customize. We want to have the voice activation, but we can actually go directly over here, and on the go live we already have, and I can just use the my microphone over here. Oh, sorry. I need to place this one on the first tab. So I have the go live button, and now we can actually allow visiting the site. And but why we have to go live over here? I don't want to use the camera, so I want to close that. And now it's eventing, connecting, enable Alicia TTS. Oh, this is Zoom feature. Yeah, this is a Zoom feature. What, you like it? So basically, right now, it's actually listening to our chat feed, right? But I can speak to Alicia and say, how are you doing today? Say something funny in the chat. That was me typing in the chat. Let me double check. So I can use that for chat. No. Okay. So, okay. Interaction focus balanced, talking style smart, vision stream together, setup, speaks. This is when it actually sends something. But how I can make it to actually, TTS is disabled. I don't know when it's actually taking the messages and replies to them, or how are you doing today? Download the app. Let's go into settings. Locate microphone icon, click the icon, select your device. Yeah, that's fine. This is gonna be in English. And this is gonna be the mic. That's also fine. Okay. Settings updated. Hello, hello. So looks like she's reading also what I'm saying. So I think she's gonna be prompting after a while. Okay, we're gonna get to that point a bit later. She's still listening. Okay. Let's see what's on the characters. TG
At
rather.
Jonathan Clarkwater is the first chatter.
Why so serious? Let's put a smile on that face.
That was loud and bright. How are you doing, Jonathan? So if I edit my character over here, we have our nickname. It can be family friendly or more to mature. Smart control. Waka waka. Do I have that? I don't think I have that. What's waka waka? Twitch points. Oh, check in. You did a check in. Waka waka. All right. Okay, I do have a check-in system in place. Rather coffee, cola, beer, or whiskey, Coke? I would go with water today. Jackie, I would definitely go with water. I'm still on pills, so... Okay, craft your character. Backstory, you can craft your character backstory. Writing style, use emotes, sensual, casual writing, more aggressive. Integration. So we do have an integration over here, but this is a different tutorial. Control your... Hey, what's up, bro? Control your lights with your voice with this Twitch AI. So you can actually make it to call commands, I think via API. Hex flash. That's not a command, but I think it works fine as well. Using voice to trigger commands. Speak to Alicia. Allow by using this side. Okay, microphone. Allow this time. I do not have the camera on, so that's fine. But where is... So I am live, right? Character Alicia, it's active. TTS is disabled. How I can activate TTS? So characters insights, learning count, stream count, stream insights, no stream insights, no memories yet. Integration, my account, download app, Windows. I think I have to download the app, I guess, since I'm not going to be on the on here on the website always, so we can actually open it at the same time. It's the first time I'm using it, so be patient with me. You're going to learn it at the same time I am learning it. Hope that makes sense. If streaming gets glitchy tonight, just blame lag. It's always running late to the party. Yeah. Oh, you can actually reply to it. Okay, so if you add and then its username, it'll gonna reply to you. And currently it's placed on funny. Okay, let's install it. And let's run it. Let's see if it's better directly on the computer. So let's allow it. Installing AI models. Gonna take a bit. We can place the music back until that's happening. Actually, I'm gonna go and get some water. Be right back. Okay, so apparently Pac-Man is talking with Alicia. So we're gonna, as you can see, we have log into Twitch, then we have YouTube, we have TikTok. So Twitch and TikTok are fully supported, and YouTube and Kick are in the beta. So I don't know if I can actually place it on multiple accounts, but we're gonna see. So we're gonna log in with Twitch. And we're gonna open, yeah, Alicia. And I guess we can actually close it from the website and just use it as in our platform over here. So how to use AI Alicia. This is getting started, learning counter. She doesn't know anything right now. That's fine. See what's next on the roadmap, share your idea, test your character settings, create a new AI Alicia character, agenda, add as an admin. Admin can manage your settings, explore. Okay, so so how I can actually make it. So enable TTS. Okay, so we enable TTS, and how we can actually manage to have it playing the TTS. So okay, so UI Thinker, I think you are the one that developed it, right? Maybe you can guide me through.
Why did the streamer cross the road to get to better Wi-Fi on the other side?
Okay, from where the hell that came from? She did use TTS. She did use TTS. I heard it. It was actually very low on my side. So maybe I'm gonna have to add a place for it over here. So we're gonna place it. Let me think. Let's place it together with Lumia Stream. Let's add another app, Alicia, and also add. I have Lumia Stream, but Lumia Stream.
Why did the mouse stay home from work? It had a bad case of double clicks.
Oh, there you go. Now I definitely heard that. Okay. So typing style, smart control, chatting as smart control, stream together, vision. What's vision? Add a stream server in your broadcast software. Server live, get your stream key. Oh, so we can make Alicia to watch our stream directly. So direct streaming faster with virtual camera. Okay, so I can actually start my virtual camera on OBS, right? And then I can just directly streaming, virtual camera normal. And here we're gonna place our OBS virtual camera. And the default microphone is gonna be this microphone. And I guess that's all I have to do for watch your setup tutorial. Create a virtual camera, blah, 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 optional audio devices. So that works. Okay. What version of Wavelink is that? Is that a beta release? Yes, it's a beta release. It's a the version 3. We're gonna be supporting it in the future as well. Right now it's not fully supported by Lumia, but we're gonna go and add it as well when, especially when they actually finished it. It's not really stable because as you saw, well, as you didn't saw, at the beginning of the stream, it didn't recognize my microphone, so I had to close completely the Elgato Wavelink and then open it back again. So it's not completely stable. But I do like that we can create multiple mixes over here, and I can place like multiple apps on the same category, and it can have its own category by itself if I want to, which is, I think, different. Is there a dark theme? I have no idea. Pac-Man. Go ahead and download it and check for yourself. I didn't play with it too much. I just set my audio controls there and it worked fine. And I just kept it like this. Okay, how we can make it to actually control our streams and call commands. That's gonna be interesting to see. So we do have here in Lumia commands, we do have some actions from Alicia, right? And we have send context, trigger AI reaction, set active character, and join and leave chat. And send context, game event, stream event, viewer event, app event, stream event, systematic context snippet. So it's just going to be a companion over there, but think of that it's basically just listening to all the messages and replying to them. Or it can be much more than that and can actually be an AI integrated that can actually also control your stream. That's a good idea to go. Time to live, optional, how long in seconds this context stays active. After this time, stops using it or never expired. Okay, let's try something. Stream event. Stream event, let's say hype, train, incoming. Prepare the chat for it. I'm gonna just use a test action. So let's see what this send context is doing with the stream event. So it has characters that you can set up to reply based on its personality. Yeah, I saw I can create characters or I can modify the existing character. And I can create even custom ones, and I think I have to link it to my other Twitch accounts or something like that, where they're gonna reply instead. So let's see if that went over here in the go live. Okay, so basically in characters, I can edit it, right? Or I can create a new one. So interactional focused, this is gonna be more to the streamer, streamer only, more to viewers, viewers only. Okay, so balanced is gonna be good. And here we're gonna be more mature or more family friendly. Right now it's in the middle. Display voices. This is where you're all set up and ready. Test your display name. I'm gonna go ping. Okay, voices. This is the voices that we can actually use. A lot of male voices. So these are impersonational voices. Ah, okay. And this is their voices.
Hello chat, how are you doing today? Welcome to Lumia Stream 9.0 Beta.
It was Beta.7. Okay. It was Beta.7. Doesn't really read the dot, I guess. Dot, it's maybe a pause.
Hello chat, how are you doing today? Welcome to Lumia Stream 9.0 Beta 7.
So if I want to say 9 dot dot o dot o. Okay. Beta.7. Okay, that will gonna be played. Hey, what's up, Cove?
Hello chat, how are you doing today? Welcome to Lumia Stream 9.0.0 Beta 7.
Okay, so that I think I like the voice. So we can select the voice. There we go. Setup completed. Stream settings. Switch event mode. Teach your characters about your stream. Your commands. Add new command. And I can make it. Oh no, I'm gonna make it do. Okay, let's try it out. Let's actually use a command that we already have it existing. So it's gonna be the throw the ball command. So throw the ball will automatically trigger the correct bot command using this format. Describe the command, explain what to say when using it. Imagine that you will hit me with a ping pong ball every time you are calling this command. Okay. All right. Terms to ignore, banned words, emote. So it automatically saved? No, saving. So don't you supposed to do what's in the context in Lumia stream? Yeah, but I'm still trying to understand what it's actually doing it. Because over here I tried with our actions, and we have send context, trigger AI reaction, set active character, and join the chat or leave the chat. So for example, if I go and say leave the chat, now Alicia should be disappearing from the chat. If I go join the chat, we're gonna say that join the chat. Perfect. Set active character, I do have just one character. These characters are built in Lumia. This is an integration with AI Alicia row. And trigger AI reaction. Can we actually trigger an in-game event? Stream event. I tried with stream event and didn't do anything. So viewer event. Let's see. Rodabo just subscribed with Prime. Let's see with this what's gonna happen. So this didn't trigger anything on my end. I have system event, context behavior. Let's test with that. Game event. And app event. Type for the event, see API docs. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna check the API docs to see what we are having over there. Okay. Okay. That should be explained in the helper, not say check API docs. Yeah. But in the settings of this, let's go back to my menu. The only settings that we have over here, it's just inside the connections. And there isn't too many things. Put in the ticket, not enough information. Yeah. So I don't know how to trigger those events, Cove. Even if they are built in, there's no way of me knowing. Or documentation on the connection for. Well, I'm gonna place it on the directly on the Alicia ticket that we already have. Okay. Request access to WebSocket. Okay. Here's the documentation of the API SDK and package AI Alicia. Okay, so we have a few more documentation to read before we can actually fully test this thing. If you can't figure it out, no one else would. Yeah. I think you have to say hi to Cove. Oh, you want me to say hi to Cove? Yeah, Frag, it's on Kick side saying hi to you, buddy. You can come to Twitch as well, Frag. Okay, so without me watching any documentation and just trying to see the plugin, I'm not gonna be able to do anything with it. Where's my chat box? It's gone because I changed the scenes. I think I still have it over here. Let me go here and just add the chat for it. Okay, plus browser source 12560 by 1440, and it should be placing my chat down below. Oh, I placed also the other things. Give me a second. This doesn't need to be here. All right. And the chat should be appearing at the bottom of the screen. Good. No audio on this scene? What do you mean no audio on this scene? I have audio. Oh, the co-working. Yeah, I guess I don't have it. Didn't place the stream mix over there. That's why we're using this one. Yeah, the one I changed to. Yeah. No, we're gonna use this one. But now you have also the chat on the line below. Okay. After we're placing more documentation on that plugin, we're gonna try to test it again. Till then, I'm gonna go back to it in progress. Okay, I still have the companion up and running, so you can communicate with it by typing at Alicia in the chat, and she'll respond. Good. Let's move over. So I already seen the plugin AI review, which is great. This doesn't need to be placed anywhere, so we're gonna just move it over. Okay. Add ability to bundle commands, chat match, and overlays. This will gonna be tested with a different plugin. Should we test this plugin? I think we should. Custom user commands. Should we actually test this one? It's not currently in version 1, so should we test it, or should we just leave it until he's fixing it? Because that will also create the possibility to create commands. Yeah, I would leave it as well. Unfortunately, OBSBot, I do not have an OBSBot camera, but it'll gonna be tested and approved soon. The PlayStation Network, I can test it just for crashing. Maybe I can actually get my trophy title and expose the latest stats from Lumia variables. So maybe I can connect to the PlayStation Network and show it. Does anyone in the chat have OBSBot? I think Bro has an OBSBot. I think Bro has an OBSBot. Okay. Yeah. So I know that Ro has, because he's being tracked over there. Okay, let's go to my PlayStation and try to connect to my account. Okay. We're gonna go to this side and copy our... Okay, this is a password value. Perfect. Target online ID. Use blank. to use your own account. Perfect. Leave blank to use your own account. Set it to monitor another public profile. Is only for online ID. Okay, pull interval in seconds. Can we actually modify the pull rate over here, or we should just leave it 300, which is basically 5 minutes pull rate? Should I actually publish it and leave Ro to download it for the ops bot, and then he can provide us the feedback? Okay, bro, play with it, give us feedback. The ops bot had been approved. I'm waiting for your feedback. Also, we created a web hook. When we actually add a plugin or it's updated, it's gonna show over here. But yeah, it will gonna be showing a new plugin uploaded, or it would be updated in case it received a new version, which is perfect. How do the plugins get on the list? Somebody's actually working hard to create them, Pac-Man. So all the plugins that are currently available right now in Marketplace were already tested by me or somebody from the team. So I didn't play EVE Online, but I know Cove did, and also the Mad Rumbo, it's also playing EVE Online. And we have a plugin for that, which is quite complex. I'm gonna try it out myself on EVE Online, but I'm gonna have to do an EVE Online stream for, I don't know. I saw the Mad Rambo, it's doing like 8-12 hour streams with it. So since it's a MMORPG, it's gonna be a grinding game. So there's a lot of features over there. I tested Rumble, I tested ClickUp, I tested the Steam plugin. The Unraid I didn't. Even Labs I did as well. And yeah, multi-chat as well. Okay. Back to our cookies over here. So, PlayStation plugin. Let me actually, we have it opened up. And of course, we do have PlayStation progress updated and title changed. This is when you're actually playing. But can we have a fetch action on it? I don't think we do have also PlayStation Network. And fetch trophy data for title. And I need to go on their side and grab the title, because I think it's God of War 4 that I did play a bit. Yeah, God of War. And I think it's just God of War 2018. Enter the name or PlayStation Network. Okay. NP ID. Okay, how I can find that? I should be finding it in my PlayStation, right? PlayStation 5 Pro. Let me search God of War. God of War. There we go. I think it's just God of War. Okay, and if I test the action, fetched for Ragnarok. All right. I did play that one as well. And I think it placed it in the variables. There were no trophies for that one. God of War 2, it's a PS2 game, not a PS5 game. But I have the Ragnarok as well, so it pulled automatically from what it was finding on my my ID. And let's check the variables. So PlayStation last title trophies. And I have here earned trophies bronze. Actually, you cannot see on that place. So this is the trophy data. And these are the trophies summary. So, and this is the title. Requested title was God of War Ragnarok. And earned. And I think this will update when you get an achievement and it's you're playing with your PS5. It will actually trigger also an alert where the progress updated. Or if you change the game, you'll automatically change the title changed. And of course, on this particular alert, you can also for sure add like your Twitch, set stream title and set current category. So it's gonna be doing that automatically. And not just for Twitch, because you can do also kick actions and also YouTube actions, where you can change your stream title. And also using all the other integrations. So for example, if you want to change your voice into, I don't know, God of War character when you're playing that game, you can also activate your voice mod and then use a voice and think Kratos. It's also here, so you can actually sound like Kratos when you're actually speaking, when you're changing to this title. So this can be done by, I don't know, creating a variation for that particular game, and when it's matched, then it will gonna be doing whatever you want over there. So that's cool. I cannot really test it right now because I do not have my PlayStation 5. It's on the other room, but I'm gonna test it most likely for the title change and progress updated offline. But I don't see any issues anymore. Let me actually move this for a second. All right. So I want to see if we get any errors regarding this thing. So I don't see any errors in our logs, which is great because before that it was causing some issues, so we had to actually remove it completely. Good. So PlayStation Network are gonna be published as well. And do you want to play a bit more Minecraft server? Because now we know what we did wrong when we actually created it last time. When we tested it, we forgot to actually place it to query when events are happening, when somebody joins the server and somebody leaves the server. So everything else was working fine, but I didn't actually pay attention to actually also include okay. So server address, we're gonna be always localhost. And we have to set enable query true in the server properties files. So I am looking for the Minecraft server and we have a package JSON. Enable query protocol requires for player tracking, enable server port, host name or IP. Okay, pull interval 10 seconds. Enable query protocol. We need this one and we can activate it. Enable to reach localhost. Yeah, because I don't have the server open. So I need to go and open the Minecraft and also to open the Minecraft server. So that's that. And where's the server now? I actually forgot where the hell I placed it. Okay. Definitely not in here. Sorry, I'm just searching for my server. Minecraft server disconnected. Oh, so I have to go and find craft launcher. So we have that there. And inside here, I don't want to go live. Leave me alone. Okay, we're gonna play. So we're gonna open our Minecraft. Perfect. And it's multiplayer. And we're gonna have to connect to TG Radu's server. Right now it's offline, but we're gonna have to bring it online for this one to work. Okay, I have to find where I placed the Minecraft server again. Okay, Xbox games, Minecraft for Windows. I actually forget how to start it. That's how you know that I am not a Minecraft player. I will be ready now if you're up for it. I'm just testing a Minecraft server, so give me a second to actually make that happen. And then I'm gonna need some searching. I do have this, but where I downloaded the jar, I cannot remember. So I know that I have to go and open CMD, right? But after I need to find the jar, so Java version, I already have the 21. Can we see history over here? Check history on command prompt. Check history on CMD Windows. F7. That's the full history. So I just use Java version. That's all the history I have. Darn. Okay, where is this jar? Because it's definitely not in C users. I should have placed it on the drive somewhere, on some drive. I think I placed it in I. And it should be Minecraft server. Let me actually search for Minecraft server jar. Can I copy it? Yeah, perfect. Let me search on the whole computer because I don't know where I placed it. I know I placed it somewhere. gonna take a while until I'm getting there. Because I need to change the drives and then go to that path location. So searching for that Minecraft server. If not, I have to download it again, which is also fine. But I know that I did download it. Testing, no. Where did I place my Minecraft server? That's so weird that I cannot remember from... It was not here. Maybe it was in Xbox games? Minecraft? Okay. Server.jar. I think that was the... Alright, now I know where it is. So let's go to CD Xbox games, right? And then let's actually copy the command for running the server. And instead of Minecraft server, it's just server. Server.jar, no GUI. And there you go. Starting the Minecraft server. Allow it to use our network for sure. And done. So default mode survival. And we're gonna be on my local host. And now let's go back and go multiplayer. As you can see, the server is online. And in Lumia, now I can activate this one. And since the port is opened for the server, now it should automatically connect to it. Perfect. So I can refresh. And let's play some alerts for it. So on Minecraft server, we're gonna place server offline. We're gonna actually make it do a reaction and say a TTS. Minecraft server went offline. That's perfect. I'm gonna use Brian to call that. Okay, let's apply that. And let's go for server online and do the same thing. Let's go with a TTS. And Minecraft server is now offline, should be. Oh, this is server online. I thought that was online and this was offline. Wait a second. Yeah, this was offline. Okay, good. And now we have player left. And can we actually get the player name as well? That would be cool. Yeah, last player left the server, players online, players max. So last player, username of the sender, last player left, variables, last player. I think we do need to have adding here the translations for the description. So that will gonna be added as a ticket. So translations. And actually I can do that directly from Lumia, right? So I can say task Cove translations needed for Minecraft plugin for the variables alerts.
Task Cove translations needed for Minecraft plugin for the variables in the alerts was added to ClickUp.
So that's an easy way to create a task for Cove. Okay, so player joined. We're gonna use, of course, TTS, and we're gonna enable it. Apply, and of course for player left. Let's do TTS, enable it, and apply. Good. Now, let's actually test it.
Left the server, /
Left the server. Okay, because this was just an alert, not a real alert in the game. So let us go and start and see if that is triggering it. So logging in, joining the world. In about 10 seconds, it should actually start.
Player joined the server. 120.
Oh, it doesn't say the name. It just says player. Oh, because my name, I think it's player. Options. I have no idea how to change my name over here. Okay. So, for example, if I disconnect, now the alert will gonna go off again. That we're gonna be 0 out of 20. So can I actually change my name over here?
Player left the server, 020.
Controls, chat settings, accessibility, credits, language, video, skin customization, online, realm invites, allow. How can I change my name? Moderator. Okay. Okay, let's actually stop the server and see what it's doing. So Control C, we're gonna stop the server over here. I'm gonna trigger the alert that server is stopped.
Minecraft server went offline.
Okay, let's start the server again. So we're waiting for the alert.
Minecraft server is now online.
The cool thing about it is that over here, it doesn't have to be local. You can have your server hosted, and there's also free hosting for Minecraft servers, right? And you can actually point it with the server IP address over here, and the server port, and also the query protocol to actually trigger that server port to actually get the information when somebody left, joined, or if the server is online or offline. So for example, you can have Lumia open and you're playing on a server with one of your friends, and he's just starting the server. So you're gonna get also alerted on your side because you have Lumia open that the server just went online. So that's really great. And now we can just join the server again and play with it. So it's nighttime over here.
Player joined the server. 120.
It doesn't have achievements or anything, but yeah, you can definitely have fun with this plugin if you're playing, especially with friends. I am a noob on this game, so I have no idea what I'm doing right now. All right, good. Let's disconnect and close it. And also
Player left the server, 020.
disconnected also from the server.
Minecraft server went offline.
That's actually really great. Good. Plugins, Minecraft plugin. It's approved and up and running. Like I said, AI Alicia will gonna be tested, and after the description, it's more in depth, so we know how to actually use the triggers inside Lumia, and we'll see what's with that. The custom user commands, it's still in progress, so it's not currently released the first version. So we'll test it afterwards. That was the plugins. Cove, can you actually try to see if my exclamation mark smoke on it's actually working? I didn't place it by laser, but that thing should actually be redeemed over there. Oh, there it goes. There is no smoke off. Smoke away. All right. So I just added the air conditioning to actually refill the entire room. Okay. Yeah, I can actually add the AC on with from the remote control after learning it on the broad link. But that I think when smoke is going on, the AC should go on as well. On just fan only. So yeah. I'm gonna clear up in like 15 minutes. That's fine. I just wanted to check if that it's activated, and if you're actually trying it to do it again, should have like a 60-minute timeout cooldown. Good. Going back to the board over here. And now I need definitely glasses to see the screen because it's kind of hard to see it. Okay. This will gonna be tested after when connection is turned off from connection. We should hide it from alerts as well. I already tested it out. It's actually brilliant. Now I do not have over here all the alerts populating, especially since I do not have the connections activated. So for example, if I activate Facebook, Trovo, and Streamlabs, for example, and I refresh, also here Trovo, Streamlabs are also added. And we can also check in, for example, crowd control. We're gonna show up in the alert section, but when we deactivate, it also disappearing from the list as well. Since we're not doing that at the moment, we're not gonna be placing them because it's just crowding this thing up. So I do love that feature. Maybe yeah, we have Rumble activated as well. Yeah, perfect. Here we shouldn't see any of the deactivated either. Okay, so all of the things that are activated are down here below. And also that contains alert are on the left side as well. Your chat seems to be cut off somehow. Yeah, because we have actually a bug over there. Yeah. I can just refresh it and that will gonna fix the issue. It goes to 2 lines when somebody uses emotes, I guess. So can you try to send a message and then try to place emotes from kick? And then send a message again so I can actually test it if it breaks the line. Yeah, so now it shows fine. Send emotes and then send messages again. The emote is fine. Send like multiple emotes. I'm trying to see what actually breaks it. Okay, Wombat, are you still in here? If you are, I'm available for that call. Oh, you are in the lobby. Let me bring you in. There you go.
Hey.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Now I have to mute your stream, otherwise I'm hearing myself twice.
Yeah. He said you're not shy, so I left the mic unmuted on Discord.
No, yeah, that's fine.
For stream.
I mean, I'm talking a lot on stream myself, so why would I be shy?
I don't know. Some people are, so they don't want to be on the stream or anything. Okay, so what can I help you today?
So, there are a few things with Lumia which are not really working out for me right now. One thing which is the most annoying for me at the moment is that I don't know why, but my variables do not get updated. So if I have like a new follower, for example, or a new subscriber, my labels, which are using those variables, are not showing the newest one, but they will just stick, and I will always have to go and manually edit them.
All right, sounds like a plan. Share a screen.
Okay, perfect. I'll do that. No, I don't want to share if online. So here, that's the screen.
Even if you don't want to share it, you still have it on the background.
Yeah, it's unfortunately it's still open. Okay, so yeah, so I don't know if I can simulate basically a follower to show you that it's not updating properly, but I basically, unfortunately, I went like 3 days ago, I went through that and set those variables manually. But it's for me, the most part is the last. So the last bit does not update. Also, the last bit amount does not update. The last follower, the last subscriber. So all of these that have like the last in the name are apparently not updating. Twitch last raider is also not correct. So this is also something.
So let's actually check the Twitch last raider first, because I can actually trigger a raid from a different account. Because if I raid now, I'm gonna send all of my viewers to you, but I can trigger from a different account.
But I'm not streaming right now, so I don't know.
I don't care.
Oh yeah, okay. So you can raid even if I'm not online. Interesting.
I can raid even if I'm not not online either.
Oh, okay. I wasn't aware of that.
Well, welcome to
QA.
welcome to Twitch, I guess. So let me go to my own channel and go to my chat. And can you go to your... Well, I need to go to your Twitch. And this is going to be Warping Wombat, as you have it on Discord.
Yeah, exactly. I also have OBS running at the moment, so that will most likely trigger an alert. So I don't know if I'm sharing my sound right now, but you might hear the alert.
That's fine. Okay. Created a raid. One viewer is ready to raid in 5 seconds, which is me. And raid now. So you should be getting a raid with a party of 1.
Yeah, it's working.
Of course it's working. And you
Okay,
see that the
perfect.
last raider, it's TG Radu free.
Okay, then the Raider has updated. Okay, that's very odd, because I don't know why, but I actually had to go manually through all of these and edit those just like a few days ago, because they were still on very, very old values.
Okay, let's try a different one. So let me go back to your stream, but this time with my Twitch account. And I'm gonna give you the amazing 1-bit donation. I'm gonna cheer all the way up. Oh, unfortunately, you have just minimum of 10. Okay.
I can decrease
No, that's
that.
fine. That's fine.
Okay, it also updated. Okay, that's interesting. Why does it work now? Is it one of those things that only work when I'm doing it? Not working when I'm doing it?
So if you're trying, well, I don't know, because you cannot cheer yourself and you cannot raid yourself,
Yeah.
so that it's not working. What else it's not updating?
So for me, it was like all of these last things. So last bid, last amount, last follower, for example, last subscriber, and last donator. So these were all the ones that I had to do manually.
I just followed.
Yeah, follow is also working now. Is there a possibility that this was because I changed the session duration in between? Because I remember that I had a problem when I reached out to you and you said like, oh yeah, it's like resetting for each stream the session, and I manually set my session to like only reset when I manually do it. And is it possible that this session change might have, I don't know, frozen the values of the variables? Because it wasn't updating. Like, I can give you that for sure, that those values weren't updating for like at least the last 3 streams. I have it on my Twitch VOD, so you can see the names that are still old. And just now it's working after I did it manually once.
I don't know. I have mine set, for example, if I go on my session, I have mine set to daily.
Okay.
But
Yeah,
the default, it's when stream ends. I placed it
Yeah,
mine to daily because I have some things behind that I'm checking daily what I'm doing.
Yeah. I have my session on manual reset only because I have like a donation goal, and that
Yeah.
should basically be up to date until it runs and until it's full, and I don't want to reset that every stream, so that's why I have it on manual reset only. Yes, you hear Wombat, Rambo. That's right.
Yeah, we're doing a live support session over here, Rambo.
Exactly. And since we got the variables fixed, however, it's working.
Well, I didn't do anything. Just give you 10 bits and follow and a raid.
Yeah. Maybe that's all it needs.
You can do a different way as well if the alert is triggering it, and you want to make sure. I don't know for what reason those variables weren't updated, but
Drama cheer 10 bits.
oh, thank you for the 10 bits. Oh, look at this. Powered by Lumia stream. The man Rambo given 10 bits.
Nice. Oh, you got the printer running. Very cool.
So, I would go into alerts, for example.
Yeah.
And for those particular Twitch alerts.
And then like subscriber, for example. So
Yeah. So click on edit. And go to actions. And on Lumia, you can update variable. place your variable name like
cheer
less.
69 bits.
Oh, Ro is cheering 69 bits this time. He wants to get printed out with that as well.
Okay, it was not showing for me. That was very weird.
Instead of using the built-in variables, you can create your own. So you can say my last sub.
I don't need to use the Twitch last. Okay, I see.
Yeah, so you can use that, and every single time the alert is triggering, it'll also update the variable that you want, like a custom variable.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So I could just create my own variables if it's not working out for me.
Yeah, but I don't understand why it would be blocked, like you saw right now that it wasn't, because it was still updating in real time.
I will monitor that. Like if it's now working and it's not making any problems anymore, then it's fine. If it keeps going like that, then I'll try the second option with creating some custom variables.
Also, you if you know exactly the date that it was not actually working, you can type exclamation mark.
Where?
Like
in my
in
chat?
in Lumia. Over there. Right over there. Press exclamation mark, like shift 1, and type logs, LOGS. Click test. And now it's gonna give you by day all the logs that happened to that current day. And if you know which day you have it crashed, you can send me the log so I can analyze it.
I can do that, yeah. I have pretty much exactly the day that it was not working because that was my last stream, because I went after the last stream and edited it.
Yeah, so this is how you get to your logs. It's actually in the app data, and it's stored for each day, basically.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, so it was the February 7, this one here. But I can do that afterwards.
Yeah.
Okay, let's close. So the next thing, I also mentioned this to Rambo, so I know that he also had like the same issue. Is that there is something wrong with the giveaway wheel, like with the spin wheel. And it's a very weird behavior. But if I go, for example, into, where is my overlays?
In the core.
Here, exactly. And I just duplicate that so I don't fuck up my own version.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's open this. Now I want to edit this and come on, spin wheel, content.
It's content.
Yeah, content manage. So if I remove all items, it always leaves like one item here. I know that is normal. Now if I import a CSV, let's open it. Here you have it. And now I remove this item and I'm saving. Every other item disappears.
So why it's now that I'm hearing of? Rambo, you're in the chat. Why you never pointed that out?
And if I go into manage, you see that all the other items have been cleared.
You have told me this. Darn. Really? Okay, can you do me a... Well, no, he cannot do it because he's not... Well, you are a moderator. Type exclamation mark task, then Abdul, then... Well, no, I'm going to do it anyway. I have an automated way to create tasks right now on my stream. So I can say task. The spin wheel 8 items are removed after importing CSV.
Yeah, and removing first empty
removing
item.
The first item that was there by default.
Task Abdul, the spin wheel items are
Oh.
removed after importing using the CSV, and removing the first item was added to click up.
Oh, he actually did it by himself.
Okay, so now you got a task. So yeah, that was the second issue that I had. And let me think of, what was my third? I know I had a third issue. Was it the overlays? I had another issue with the spin wheel, but I don't know if that was like something I can try it out maybe. Emulate.
Give me a second. Why this doesn't work? Darn. Okay, we're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. You have to love butts on kick.
Ishola66 looks like you did your ass reported and banned.
Ah, back to you. I can actually delete that message at least. Bye. All right.
Okay. So, I don't know if that was my wrongdoing, but apparently on one of my last streams, I used this spin wheel, and although I only used the command once, it was pulling two different items from the wheel at the same time and putting those both in the chat. And I was like, why
you are
the hell
having
is
it.
this happening?
You are having it opened in multiple places, like OBS and inside the editor over here.
Ooh, that's an interesting question.
Because if the answer to that
Yeah.
is true, then of course when you have multiple instances, it's like having multiple spin wheels that are running at the same time.
Okay, so I can't have it open in the editor. Yeah,
No.
it's true that I have imported the CSV or anything like that during the stream, and then I pushed the spin wheel, but still had the editor open. But that's good to know. So I need to close that in the future.
Yeah, you need to close this and use it by the action of the spin wheel trigger, the game trigger, inside the command itself. So you know how to create a command to actually trigger the spin wheel?
I have a command. I'm using a chat command at the moment.
Yeah.
Here. Exclamation mark spin. And that
is doing an action.
Overlay action. It's using the spin wheel. And I feel we did this together. So it's like setting the visibility.
Sending the game trigger and then wait for 10 seconds and then closing the visibility.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So use it by this instead of opening the editor and clicking the button. I know it's easier like that, but you do have two different instances of the spin wheel that we're gonna run separately, individual from each other, and one we're gonna give you an answer, a reward, and the other one we're gonna give you a different reward.
Yeah. I also, when I'm on stream, I'm using these exclamation mark spin command, so I'm not using it from the editor. I just, when I had to like refresh the items on the wheel, and I did this apparently on stream or before the stream while still having Lumia editor open. I think that was the might have been the issue.
Yeah. Try to without having, or check also in your sources if you do not have it in two different scenes.
Yeah.
That it's running in the background as well.
Also, another thing, the raffle here. Where is it, raffle? Maybe that's just my personal issue with that feature. Engagement, I believe it was. Yeah, here it is.
Yeah.
So raffle, you see that the raffle is still running, although I pulled a winner and stopped this.
You stopped it, but you never ended it.
How do I end it with a command? Is this another chat command that I need to set up? A separate one? Because I already have like a couple of those.
I don't know if that's actually something. Let me actually double check on my side.
In winner and start. So I have these set up at the moment.
Let me double check real quick. Yeah, you have raffle stop and raffle end actions inside your actions in Lumia actions. So maybe it's good to create a raffle end as well.
Okay, and raffle end I need to do manually after because then it will reset and it cannot see if the winner was successfully pulled in the end because the person was still in chat or not. So yeah, that's...
Yeah, so I think you're gonna have to create a new command.
Yeah.
For the raffle end.
Or another thing which I could do is I could do a end on the start, because when I start a new one, I can end the last one.
Yeah.
With this. Okay, then I would prefer this. Let me say end.
Yeah.
Raffle end. Add action. And put this on top. Perfect. Okay, done. Then I will try that out and hope that wins. Let me see. So if I go into my chat here, exclamation mark start.
New giveaway started.
And raffle.
Yeah, it. I think we have a issue with that because
it does not work. It seems.
No, it does, but it was showing the pop-up and it was expecting you to do a response before you are starting the new one. So now it will gonna if you type exclamation mark start, we're gonna start again because there's no raffle to end.
No, yeah, it puts always puts up these.
Yeah, but now the raffle started. Before it was trying to end the current raffle. There was no raffle, but we do have that pop up if you want to actually store the settings in the future. So there's another task for you, UI thinker. So in case of running it via a command, we should automatically say no to store it because we want to automate this thing. So automatically should say no to not store it and end the current raffle. Okay, let me actually write that down.
Sure. So Rambo, you are using the buttons on the Lumia screen. Yeah, I usually don't have Lumia visible basically because I am only using a 2-monitor setup. I don't have like a very advanced setup like yours, where I have like Lumia on one screen, OBS on one screen, stream on one screen.
Task Abdul,
so I just have it hidden in the background, and
we should automatically say no to store the raffle
Lumia
and not show the
chat
pop-up,
commands.
for it was added to click up.
Need more screens. Peasant. That should be a good one to place it on the TTS. Unfortunately, he has the stream muted, so he couldn't hear it. But yeah, I do have 2 screens, and I think I'm gonna go with at least 3 in the very near future because I'm running out of screen space. And as you can see, I already have 1 Stream Deck on my keyboard and 2 other Stream Decks on top of that.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm only using a 2-monitor setup at the moment. 1 screen for OBS and 1 screen for my game, which I'm streaming.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
So far, it has worked out very good for me. So
yeah, Rambo does not agree to that message.
Yeah, I know. But you're also multi-streaming, Rambo, so you have like a lot of more stuff to keep track at the same time.
I am also multi-streaming. I'm streaming on Kick, on Twitch, and also on YouTube right now. I did stream also on Facebook, and I did do a test stream on Rumble as well. And yeah, everything worked fine.
Okay. Yeah, I'm only streaming to Twitch. But yeah, that's crazy. So one more thing that comes to my mind, which I have not been able to set up myself so far, so maybe you can help me with that. I saw there is a command which I've set up in the chat bot commands. Where the hell was that? No, I did it as an alert. So on... Where is it? Clip.
It's alphabetical order.
This one here. Exactly. So on the clip, I said it should do a Discord action and send a message with the username that clipped a thing in the chat, and also put the URL in a specific channel.
Yeah.
Which is this clips channel here.
Yeah.
However, I can do as much clips as I want, both using the exclamation mark clip or also using the standard Twitch clip. It does not work. I don't know why, but it's not posting into my Discord, although Discord is connected.
Wait. Scroll a bit down.
Yeah.
Click test action. All right, there we go. Go to Discord connections. No,
yes.
Discord connections in Lumia.
Discord connection. Okay, yeah. Connections, Discord.
Edit that. Next. Reconnect.
Okay. It needs to be
Select your server. Authorize. Okay, back to Lumia. Okay, select your server and select clips. Next. No. Do not import the roles. Okay, and now go back on your Twitch clip alert. And of course Discord actions, and try to test it out.
Just test action here again, no?
Or
this one here.
Test over there, yeah. And now it actually posted on your Discord.
Oh yeah, it works. Okay, cool. Then
unfortunately, it doesn't have the variable placed in because of course you didn't do a clip. But if you do a clip, we're gonna show them.
Okay, that's cool. And it will work for like any clip that is done. They don't need to use like a specific command for clipping, right?
No. It's this is done when Twitch received the event that somebody did a clip.
Okay, yeah, that's exactly how I want this.
It's either by !clip command or either by manual clip function on your stream. It will still gonna trigger the event for the alert.
Okay, that's very cool. Thank you. So
that's why I'm here for.
Connected. Yeah.
Basically, it can just place messages on the allowed platform that you allowed channel that you want. You can still do it on multiple channels. So, for example, if you want to place it on a different channel, you still can. The only thing is you cannot do it via the integration that we have. You have to do it with the webhook. We have a Lumia Action webhook. And then you can go to that channel, create a webhook, and then copy the URL on your Discord, and then just place it, not in here, not in webhook control. This is actually allowing other users to trigger stuff on your Lumia. But for example, go back to your alerts and clip, and I'll explain you what over there. So edit that, go to actions, And inside Lumia here, click on type and search for webhook. So you have sent to Discord webhook. And then you're going to have the Discord webhook URL that you're going to get from your Discord server, your Discord channel. And then the message that you want to place. How to create a Discord webhook URL. Go to your Discord. Go to the channel that you want to actually place the message in. And go to edit that channel. And here you have integrations. And you have webhooks. You can create a webhook. You can click on the Spidey bot or Captain Hook.
Okay. I thought this was an already existing one.
No, so you can also modify here the image logo of him. You can place whatever name you want over there. And you can copy the webhook URL and then place it inside the Lumia action over there. That's the URL. And then that's the message. You can use also variables over here and everything. So you can just place a... Well, don't use Discord actions and also this action because we're going to do double posting.
Yeah, so one I need to remove. Or
Yes. Yeah, so for example, now if you click test action, we're going to say just clip the stream because the username is not filled on your Discord.
Oh, so I can't use the variable username in here.
You can, but you need somebody to actually create a clip so the variable to be filled.
Okay, yeah, I see.
When you test the variable, it's not filled. That's a local variable and we're gonna always be filled only when the user actually does the clip.
Okay, now it's here. Okay, yeah, that's cool. And what is the big difference by doing it through a webhook or using the Discord action?
The Discord action, it's using our own bot, basically. Because when you do the Discord...
oh, so if I don't want to have the Lumia bot on my Discord, I can use the webhook for doing it without the bot.
Yeah, and you can also might not even have the connection of Discord at all, and you can still use this functionality from Lumia to send it via webhook.
Okay, I get it. Very cool. But since I'm using the Discord action and I do have the bot, I don't need this, and I can just remove the webhook here again.
Yeah. You can just click cancel because you didn't add the action. So basically, this is a great way to do in case, for example, you're joining multiple communities and you're receiving the permission to actually use the webhook integration for that particular channel and, I don't know, post when you're going live on their Discord. So you're going to place their webhook URL into Lumia when basically Twitch stream starts, for example. And to automatically post in that Discord, even if it's not yours, to place the message that you went live automatically.
Ah, that's a cool thing, yeah. I could think about asking some people. I know that a lot of people, also me, myself, are using like bots, for example, Notify Me or stuff like that, that you can just register a few streamers with, and if they go live, it will automatically be posted in that channel. I also have like a streamers live category here, where if people go live, it's being posted. So I could do this basically with the webhook on other streamers' Discords. If I'm asking them, I can have the webhook URL basically.
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you do not want to go manually and post it by yourself, because a lot of communities are asking to do that. I also have a tutorial on how to do it with your Stream Deck, to automate to post on all of them yourself.
I do post on all of them myself at the moment.
Yeah, I don't even post anymore when I'm going live. But when I was using to post on all of the Discords, I was just basically pressing a Stream Deck button and everything was there.
I don't have a Stream Deck, so I can't use that.
You can use a virtual Stream Deck.
Maybe, yeah, that's true. Okay, let me see into overlays again, but I believe that was it, yeah. I still haven't redone the chat box that we were talking about, so that's still an open project for me.
Okay.
But one day I will have it done. Then I'll give you a heads up. Okay, I think yeah, that's everything so far. So nothing comes to my mind anymore that I have like very current issues with Lumia Stream, which I would need to have live support for.
Good. So I can go back to testing.
Yeah, of course. Thank you very much for your time, and then also for helping me.
Yeah, no issue.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why we're actually streaming. Well, actually not why we're streaming. We were offering live support even before streaming, but I decided to actually do, since I'm using the time anyway to helping you guys and also to test.
Rodabo said I_Leecher. What does the fox say?
Huh? What did I miss there? Oh, you redeemed the TTS. Ro redeemed the TTS with Iglesia.
Yeah. Okay. Then Rambo. Not Rambo. TG. Radu. I would say thank you very much, and I'll go out of Discord and I'll be in your chat again.
All right. Great.
Goodbye.
Perfect. Bye-bye. Good. You had fun with Licia, huh? Over there. Let me see. What did I miss out? I need support. Okay, Rambo. What support do you need? How can I support you today? Okay. I only use buttons on the raffle screen. Oh, you only use the buttons on the raffle screen instead of having the commands for it. That's fine. I think I'm up to date. So, how can I help you? Let me get up to date with all the chat. So we want the integration with Corsair Web Hub. So since I'm here, I can actually create. Check if you can integrate Corsair Web Hub in Lumia. There we go. Added. Let me refresh because there should have been added 2 tasks over here as well. One have in action and spin wheel item. There we go. These should be in bugs. There we go. Good. Good. Okay. How about plugin for Armory Crate? Oh, I hate that that software. Don't tell Aces. I had so many issues with it in the past. So right now I'm not using it at all. I was having some of the things that I was needing over there, but not gonna use it anymore. I do love some of their products. I'm not gonna say no. I still have some of their products as well with no issues, but I don't like their software, to be honest. Compared to all the competitors that they have, I prefer other competitors than their software. But that's just me, and it's subjective, and yeah, that's it. Okay. Need a task for importing raffle items by copy and paste instead of CSV. And my ball machine was reverted to always shooting, which you know about. Try to do exclamation mark throw a ball in one word. And check it if it works on my side to just throw one ball and not multiple until I end it. And I think I know why it doesn't work on your side. Throw a ball. Is that the command? Let me double check. Yeah, that's the command, but I think it's just placed on only me. I'm gonna just add a moderator as well. Since you're a mod in my chat, you can do it now. It was just on my side. And it stopped. And this is how I actually use it. So I just have start and end, as you can see. And if I go back to my menu, let's go to edit from scratch. There's just plug-in key lights, no anything else. It just plays on 0.5 second duration, and that's it. So, want to join a call and actually fix your stuff, because I think it's triggering something else when you're actually calling it, and it's never reaching the end duration. Asus Love detected. If you ever want a plugin that makes your RGB dance like my sauce, just say the word. Let me run to the toilet. All right. I'm gonna hydrate while you're doing that. So the air cleared around here, which is nice. I don't know if you still have a cooldown. Let me check. Mod, shootout, task, cooldowns. Yeah, smoke on. It's still on cooldown. It's actually having 1 hour cooldown over here, which can be bypassed by, supporting the channel. What thing we are listening to? We're still on this playlist? I guess we are. Yeah. Good. Let me get back into Discord. And wait for Rambo. Also, let's check what happened in the meantime. I tried that all possible ways, lights on, lights off, with the pair button on the lights, with the API on the app, on phone, no pairing happening. Used to work almost instant with pairing using the button on lights. I need to check with him. But yeah, it's 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 hours and 40 minutes. I'm gonna say let's check up with a call tomorrow. Hello, Mr. Rambo. We're supporting Eve content creators right now.
Right. We're taking over the world.
Looks like you even made a plugin on Lumia stream.
Right. I've got someone on the back end working on more stuff for it.
Okay, so would you mind sharing your screen?
One sec, there was an update, so just have to go there. I opened it today.
One of your 6 screens. Oh, look at that! Another Eve Online screen.
When I came into the stream, I thought, oh, I'm testing the plugin for Eve Online, and then I noticed it was one bat.
Yeah, sure. Give me a second. Can you still hear Rambo? Can you say something, Rambo?
Something, Rambo.
I think you can hear him well, right? The music was a bit loud on my side.
I'm just quiet. I'm softly spoken.
Okay. So, let's bring your OBS screen as well on this screen.
What do you want?
Your OBS.
No, that don't work, does it? Because that's on the other PC. Why do you want my OBS screen?
To see when you're actually... Oh, well, no, I just want your camera.
Let's switch my camera to that PC.
Low a bit, but can hear. You're hearing low, him? Really? I'm hearing very low. I can hear well. I can increase his volume, but he's already in the red on my side. My sound, it's lower than him.
Oh, one sec.
He's very like, you're eating your microphone. You're like this, talking to the microphone. Very deep and low. Yeah, he is very deep, but not low. Definitely not low. But that's on his side. Oh, I still have Minecraft on. Darn. Give me a second. Let me close that. I was like, I'm not playing Minecraft. Why the hell I'm saying that I'm playing Minecraft?
I'm back.
Okay. So share your screen so I can see you getting hit in the face with multiple balls.
Oh, change webcam. Why does it show that?
That's your snap camera.
Yeah, which doesn't be used. There we go.
There we go. Can I change this view to a different view? Let's see. Grid view. No, grid view, it's better. Shown. Yeah. Anyway, okay. So, basically, how you're triggering your balls.
Yeah. Is that safe for stream?
Well, it's a mature only stream, so yes. You can trigger your balls live. So you have OBS actions.
No, because these are old actions, so they're not tied to OBS now. Because if you have a look at my, I don't have these connected.
Ah, okay. It's fine. So we're just looking at your devices then.
Yeah.
Okay, so over here you have on and off, right? And in general, you have duration 0.3 seconds, right? Good. Exit out and test it.
Testing on my end. So, right. I've always had a command on my Stream Deck to stop these issues, because when I press the fire button on my Stream Deck, it will basically cancel out everyone else's. It will fire once, but it will cancel out everyone else's. But I'll test it.
Okay, you can stop it.
So my test works like that. If I bring up, so if this will work.
So it's still gonna trigger until.
No, that only fired twice. Twice I can cope with. It's when it just carries on going. No, that's only fired once.
So the channel point fires once, but your command fires multiple? No.
No, it depends when a ball's been loaded, right? So if it's caught at the end of the load. But when it's been happening in stream, it just carries on firing. Oh. Okay. For some reason, it's working fine.
I would actually... You're having like 0.3 seconds, right?
Mm-hmm.
What if you're modifying to place it 0.8? Grandammy, welcome in. So the only way that command stops, it's if it's being overwritten by an alert.
Yeah, which you fixed before, right? Because
Yeah.
I used to always have this issue, hence why it's on my Stream Deck. So I have a fire right button and a fire left just in case. Because if I press that when the balls keep firing, it will trigger the command. It will fire again, but then it will stop the command as such. Whereas when people are doing it with their channel points, for some reason it's working fine now.
Let me double check. I'm going to your channel and trigger it with your channel, with my channel points, which hopefully you're gonna refund me.
No.
You're not even live. You have to refund me. Okay, triggered.
Okay. Did the last update do something to stop it?
No.
No.
I can do something that will automatically force it. So even if somebody actually tries to actually redeem something, and this one will not gonna reach the end, you can do something which you should done. Go to plugs and devices. Plugs and key lights. Sorry, on the command. Actually, you cannot have a delay over here, so no, still gonna have to work like this. What if you skip the queue?
I used to have it. I'm sure I had it before I skipped the queue.
So dynamic options.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna spend another 700 points on your face. There it goes. Okay.
Yep, just once. As long as it is, I don't go once, twice, it's fine. It's just when it just tries to empty the whole thing. I like, see, I've got to press the button quick.
I don't know why your voice is so deep today.
I have been playing with friends. Is it too deep?
Very. It's like there's no highs on your voice anymore.
Okay. Yeah, when I tested it, it seemed fine. That's why I should have brought someone into Discord while I was testing.
Okay, so your issue is
yeah, it looks like it's fine. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Other than that, I don't have any issues.
It's great. HubSpot has a new cam feature for avatars. What?
I've got an OBS spot behind me.
Only the newer cam. Newer cam. I want to upgrade my cam, but HubSpot, it's not in my list. Just because.
Quite like the OBS.
Huh?
I quite like the OBS spot. I use it for the rear camera at the moment.
Yeah, I do like it for the tracking. I'm not gonna lie about that. The problem is it doesn't really have a good like sensor. Well, it is better than a lot of most cameras out there, like webcams. Mm-hmm. But when you compare it to a mirrorless, it's definitely not there.
I use the main camera is a Link 360. And then the rear camera is a HubSpot Mini. Oh, okay. I don't use the tracking features because it does my head in, because I have everything in frame of where I need it in frame.
Yeah. So, for example, that one I would replace it with a tracking. For example.
Yeah.
This one it's a mirrorless camera, and I do like the mirrorless camera. You know why? Because of this thing. Watch this. For the autofocus.
Yeah, I've got autofocus.
Yeah, give it a while. Yeah, I still cannot. Oh, there it goes. While this one, if I want to bring, I don't know.
How much did your lens cost?
If I want to bring my my pills, I didn't pay anything. It's the stock lens. There you go. It's the stock lens on. I have a Canon EOS M200.
I used to use Canon 60, I think it was. Was it 60? But it's too big for the setup because of the amount of screens and the screen space I want. Otherwise, I'd have to go too high.
Yeah, I think your camera, it's placed in between some of your monitors, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mine, it's a bit above the monitors, but it still has a good angle. And I think it's even zoomed in right now. No, it's not. I can zoom in. but it also reduces the aperture. I think aperture it's called.
ISO?
No, it's not the ISO. ISO it's remaining the same, but when you're zooming in, you'll need more light for the subject, basically, to actually cover it. Otherwise, it's gonna go a bit darker. New tiny free cam, it's $350. Oh my god.
Tiny tree.
I think around that price point I paid for my mirrorless camera. With including the stock like lenses. Because it was coming in at the same price. You couldn't buy it without it. But yeah, I would want to have something similar to the Canon. I actually love it. The only thing that I don't like about it, it's the way it connects. It's connecting via a micro HDMI cable. And of course, you need to have like an adapter for that to HDMI. And because the cable is so thick, if I move the camera just a bit, it will bend that micro HDMI plug and we're gonna break it. So I burned so many adapters so far. I think I'm about close to 100 adapters destroyed. I was not having like I have now. I placed it on a Elgato arm, and now it's a lot better because it's staying also the cable in one place. But before that, just because of the cable weight, it was just bending the pins of that and removing the plug.
Jeez.
A few times I had to actually use like a very thin thing to actually pull the plug out of the camera because it remained stuck in there. It was so annoying. I thought I broke the camera a few times, but no, it's still working.
That's mad.
Yeah. Good. So your problem and Wombat's problem was so easily fixed. I hope I'm getting only this kind of problems when I'm doing support on Lumia stream. It's amazing.
Right? So easy.
Yeah.
No, yeah, I don't think there's anything else that I've got a burning issue with anyway.
The only thing that it can come to my mind, it's either the time was set too fast for the plug to recognize to turn it on and off. That's one thing. Because I have it mine to set 0.8 and it still throws just one ball. And the other one is that somehow it was overwriting with an alert, but it's still 0.3 seconds, so it didn't had somebody that it's running an alert at exactly the same time, like 0.3 seconds to actually overwrite it. So that didn't make sense either.
Yeah, let's say the only thing I assumed or could assume is one of the newer beta updates reverted some of the settings because, like I said, it was fine because you were one of the people that fixed it.
Yeah,
you and together because it used to have this issue before, and then it didn't.
What plug you have?
And then a couple of updates later, it bugged up. I don't know. No idea.
You don't know what smart plug you have?
No, because I don't look at my smart plugs. They're just plugged in now. The only time I have to look on their website is to reset the connection thing every 6 months, or tell them yes, I'm still using it. Basically.
Oh, okay.
It's probably a Tapo.
Tapo that is not working at the moment. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, glad it's fixed.
Cheers, dude. Right, I'll leave you to it.
Yeah, thank you.
Lizard.
He had to use that sound. All right. Good. So guys, unfortunately, we will gonna have to end it for today. Except if you do have any other issues running in the chat right now, so I can actually help you. If not, we will gonna read out and we're gonna check who is actually alive to do that. I'm gonna do exactly the same way we were doing it before. I already see Shroom over there. But we're gonna go on browse, live categories, and searching for Lumia stream tag. And see who is here. We have Shibo. She's doing some co-working and studying. I think she's watching some... if I'm not knowing her, I think she's watching some Flash. Okay. Then Terraria. Who is this? Cabinet Terror 6? I don't think I ever went to... Well, we're gonna go to... Let's see this one. She has a cat. She's doing art. Okay. Let's see somebody that it's a bit more interactive and has some lights. Maybe we can trigger. Lumia stream 3D printing. Writing multiplayer. Cabinet Terror. Oh, this guy has some lightning on. All right. Let's give him a raid on our wait out. So I'm gonna raid him. Let me actually bring my Twitch over here so we can do that. Let's raid. So, guys, thank you so much for being here. We're gonna trigger the smoke machine for one more time. Let's increase the music because it's just on the bottom volume over there. Let's go. Smoke on. There we go. That started it. And love you all. Bye, everybody. I'm not going to be able to see you. Take care and have a great day. Stay creative and have a luminous day, as always. Radu, bye.
So many styles and colors, really you won't believe it. In person you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it.